Hello everyone, so how to use Pandora on Apple TV. So yes, you can do that, I think on Apple TV 4 and 4K. So just open the App Store on the Apple TV, search for Pandora and click the arrow. Then you will have an option to either sign in with your email, create a new account, or sign in with an activation code. If you sign in with an activation code, you will need to go to pandora.com/apple here, and then you will need to enter your activation code here. So there you have it. Yep, so you can you can pair it with your controller Apple TV, you can pause, skip, or thumb on Apple TV, you can create a station, which is pretty cool because I think on Xbox One, PlayStation 3, while using Pandora, you can't do that. Delete stations, you can do that, you can edit some. If there was like an arrow occurred where you are thumbing up or down, you can edit that. You can sort station, you can select audio quality, filter explicit content. You can also switch accounts, which is also cool because I think on Roku, if you're using Pandora, you can only have one account, but on Apple TV, you can have multiple accounts. So just select account, switch account, and sign in to alternate Pandora account. You can also sign out. Yeah, of course. And here is some troubleshooting on Apple TV. As you can see, I was wrong. You can also use Pandora on Apple TV third generation, which is pretty cool as well. So there you have it. Hope at least some of it will be helpful.